Let's suppose the Big Bang Theory and the idea of a atom bomb going off, atom starting it all, and compare those two, tie them together, and think of the Big Bang Theory. Something blew up and sent everything into pieces. All. Or you could say an atom bomb blew up and sent everything into pieces, or fragmented everything. And everything had to mold back together in some shape or form in an atmosphere of light, water, pressure, steam, gas, those kind of things. Now, just think about this. Because out in space, we have comets and all these things that blew up, right? Or they're blowing around in some mystical, magical way. Well, no, not at all. Because the burst of light into darkness started the first idea of spreading of particles. Now, those particles have gathered in so many billions of ways throughout what we call time that they have done things on their own until there was a presence of mind, which we call consciousness. Now, just go back to the Big Bang Theory and the atom bomb. If we are at a point in time where everything's going to end and it's all going to blow up and everyone's going to die, I couldn't think of a reason to go about the everyday world and follow the laws of people who don't seem to, obviously. I mean, I'm just saying don't seem to because I'm not trying to say all of them are bad, but you know what I'm trying to get at. That we have a government and people that take advantage of other people, and we're living in a world that's really overran by evil at this point in time. In our hearts, we don't have to be evil, and many of us aren't. But let's just say if everything's going to blow up and end, the reason that I continue to teach the word is because if there are few of us left, people are going to have to learn how to communicate again. And this is something that can be taught to children or adults of any age. So that's why I continue to speak the word. Because if things are just fine, we also have to reset and do something where we speak the same language and start over from a new period of time or a new point of our consciousness and our understanding of each other. So no matter if it's going to end tomorrow or right now, or if we continue and we try to actually improve, the reason I teach the word for what it means throughout the letters and through the symbols and the spinning is because this is essential to know in everything. It always will be, no matter what plane you manifest on during your lifetime. Whether it's this life or the next or the ones you seem to have had before in time if you reincarnate on this planet at a different time frame. You can do that. Now, I'm not going to get too weird into that stuff because most people just cannot fathom it, so there's no point of going into it. Other people that are willing to understand that stuff and actually want to know more about it, we can talk on the phone. I'm that open with people. I have no fear of talking to anybody at any time because I love you guys. No matter how evil you think you are or how evil of the things you perform, you can be changed. And you can decide to do that. So, like I said, with that idea of the atom bomb being the Big Bang, just think about it. It's A, B, and BB. I mean, I'm just using those for examples. But these are atom, okay, and the event, okay? See how that makes a lot of sense? If you amen, you amend. You put things together. If you atom, or if you advent or invent, I'm not going to go into break it down too many words because I'm trying to say things that make sense in my mind right now, but I'm not going to confuse you with them. Just realize that no matter what happens, if there's something negative going to happen right now or something positive going to happen right now, speaking the same understood way is going to be important, especially if we want to remove ourselves from the kind of algorithms we've set ourselves up with artificial intelligence. Unfortunately, that's been weaponized and used against us and is being used against us. So when I say computers aren't the way, that's why I say it, because they're being used against us. We can definitely change that, and let's work at doing that. But first, we have to change what we are inside, each one of us, and we can help do that as each of us individually wake up. So, till next time, once again, peace.